Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to give you some quick information on a gutter guard. It's a super hot topic. There's so many different types of gutter guards out there. Can be super confusing on what type of gutter guard to choose. With all my years of installing gutter guards, all the different types of gutter guards that I've seen, the aluminum perforated gutter guard is the best gutter guard on the market. Now, it doesn't always look the best. There's a lot of other gutter guards on the market that look much better than the aluminum perforated gutter guard, but you got to kind of rethink, in a sense, the true purpose of a gutter guard. The gutter guard is going to give you two things. It's going to eliminate the continuous cleaning of the gutter. Now, it's not going to do most cases. It's going to give you two things. It's going to increase that flow rate, and it's going to make the gutters manageable, because right now, if you have trees, you don't have a gutter guard up there. Obviously, if you clean your gutters 2, 3, 4 times a year, the gutters are still going to overflow depending on the amount of trees you have. Usually a 2-time-a-year cleaning will get you about a 70% flow rate. 30% of the year, they're still going to overflow. Maybe you increase it to 3, 4 times a year, you can get an 80% flow rate. 20% of the year, the gutters will still overflow. That's where a gutter guard comes into play. Do we recommend a gutter guard? Is a gutter guard a good option? 100%. As long as you're purchasing the gutter guard for the right reason. You're getting the gutter guard for two main reasons, and that's to increase that flow rate, and it's there to make the gutters manageable. So no matter what you're told by the estimator or the contractor, when you get a gutter guard installed, you're going to want to keep an eye on the gutters, meaning be proactive. The other things you're going to want to note is if you have any valleys, any channels that go up your roof line. Obviously, if you get debris in that valley now, before the gutter guard installation, you're most likely going to get debris in that valley after the gutter guard installation, and you're going to have to get the valleys serviced. Most estimators, contractors aren't going to bring that up. So if you're getting debris in the valley, you're going to have to at least service that maybe once, twice a year, depending on where you live and the type of trees that you have. So just to reiterate, the gutter guard is going to give you two things. It's going to increase the flow rate. It's going to make the gutters manageable, but you want to make sure you get the right type of gutter guard, and that is the aluminum perforated gutter guard. There's 15, 20 different types of that gutter guard on the market now. So as long as it's a professional grade aluminum perforated gutter guard, that's the type of gutter guard you're going to want to install. And any gutter contractor can get that type of gutter guard. Sometimes you're going to have to be persistent about it, or they'll tell you why it's not the best. Personally, I believe that is the best gutter guard on the market, so you might have to request that to get that installed. It is also available online, Amazon, other websites for a DIY, do-it-yourself installation. All right, guys, so there you have it, gutter guards. If you have any questions, shoot that comment down below. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel for new videos that I'm posting on a weekly basis. Like it, share it, hit the little bell notification to get notified every time I post a video. Thanks a lot, guys. Oh, guys, if there's any other gutter videos that you would like to see, put that down there, and that'll kind of inspire me and give me an opportunity to make videos that you guys want to see. So post that down below, and I'll get those videos out for you. Thanks a lot, guys.